In this video I'm going to show you easy way how you can find random people on Snapchat. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat application and here tap on map icon right here at the bottom left to open up map, and then you can zoom it in, and here you can tap on map in that colored places like that, and you will open someone's story. And if you tap on view creator button right here, you can find the person who creates that story, and you can subscribe on that person just like that. Tap on subscribe button and that's it. Now you subscribed on that person. You can open his profile and got extra information about this guy. So that's how it works, and I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.